Hello friend, I am Iman and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we have a data router n300 and we will set it up from mobile. In this video you will learn how to do its all settings from your mobile. So don't waste your time and stay with me. So this is our router that we have to set up. Now turn it on. Then open the mobile's Wi-Fi settings and connect the mobile to Tenda's Wi-Fi. Then open Google Chrome and type Tenda IP, which is 192.168.0.1, and create a password of Tenda Wi-Fi. Press OK. Again open Wi-Fi settings and connect Tenda Wi-Fi. Return to Google Chrome. Press on 3 line. Press wireless repeating. In downside, you can see Wi-Fi network near you. Select your primary Wi-Fi and type password of primary Wi-Fi. Press OK. Router will reboot now. Again open Wi-Fi settings and connect the mobile to Tenda Wi-Fi. You can see internet is connected now. We will check the internet with YouTube. And internet is working now.